Hi friend, it's Amanda. In today's video, I'm bringing 10 new summer outfit ideas to you. All of the outfits that I mentioned are going to be linked down below in the description box. The dress that I have on for the video is from Scoop. It is brand new. I already wore this out. This is amazing. It's a 10 out of 10. Puff sleeves are super cute to this dress. It's got nice smocking across the front. It's a very easy and breathable cotton material. This is under $30, which is unheard of. Very impressed with this one from Scoop. Their new summer drop is amazing. This is in a size medium if it's true to size. Free Assembly keeps bringing out the most adorable dresses. This is another new one. It's got a lemon print all over it, very similar to the lemon printed midi dress that I tried on in a previous Walmart haul. This one has a halter style, super flattering. It has adjustable straps as well with smocking in the back. This is only $28. Fits true to size. I grabbed it in a medium. I also grabbed a couple of new items from No Boundaries. I went on a whim and grabbed a couple of these fit and flare dresses. They all turned out really nice. I like this baby blue one. Definitely would be cute for a trip to Disney World if you're going to Magic Kingdom. Just pair this dress with your favorite sneakers and your Mickey ears and it'd be perfect. This dress has comfortable spandex at the top. It's super stretchy. This mini dress is in a drop waist style that's on trend right now. Comes with pockets. I went true to size. I have this dress in a medium. Here's the other dress I grabbed from No Boundaries, also in a medium. How fun is this with the corset at the top? This dress reminds me of a Hill House style, looks very designer, but of course this is from Walmart, so it's under $15. I also really liked the blue and white floral print, felt very girly. I didn't know if the medium was going to work out for me because this is juniors, but this dress does run true to size. It has smocking in the back. You can also see how it does have a drop waist to it in the middle. I was really excited to get this Time and True dress in the mail. I love the print. I feel like it's perfect for the beach. This has flutter sleeves at the top and a sweetheart neckline. It's just under $20 and it's also 100% cotton. This is another cotton number that I grabbed from Time and True, also in a medium. It does run a little bit big, but I was able to accentuate my waist with the drawstring in the middle. I love the neutral pattern. I feel like this reminds me of Anthropology, but once again, this is Time and True from Walmart, so it's going to be around 20 bucks. You get that look for less. It'd be perfect for a dinner date night out. It's not a Walmart video unless I mention another pair of amazing Joyspun pajamas. Here's another print that I recently ordered. It's blue and white. These Joyspun pajamas are really amazing. These are lightweight for the summer heat. They come in shorts and they also come in the pant options. So normally I will grab both. This time of year, I definitely gravitate towards the shorts. These are $16.98. They fit true to size. I've got these in a medium. Here are two pieces from Walmart that I put together for a neutral summer look. I've got the Time and True linen pants that I always repurchase every summer. These are great. They have comfortable stretch with a drawstring at the top. These are a light neutral with just a little bit of a stripe pattern to them. I have these in a medium. They run true to size. And then I wore it with this new tank that has spandex, and I love that it came with this knot detail in the front. This also looks very Free People inspired, and this top is under $10. I did size down. I have this in a small just because I felt like it would have a little bit more of an oversized look, and I was right when this arrived. I was very glad that I went ahead and got the small for this top. So if you're in between sizes, I would also do the same and size down. This super cute baby doll dress is also something that you can order from Walmart. So even though I did get this on Amazon, I'm glad that it comes in different prints on Walmart's website. I love this dress so much. It was definitely a top seller last month. It's got flutter sleeves and then this bow detail in the front with a flattering V-neck style. For this lemon printed baby doll dress, I do a medium. It runs true to size. This is also perfect if you're going on a tropical vacation. These are my favorite activewear shorts from the Avia brand at Walmart. They're so good. They also have been a top seller on my LTK page. These I have in a large. These are incredible Lululemon look for less activewear shorts. They've got pockets on the back and on the front. So I'll show you the little pocket details. Of course, I'll also include some images and videos of how these shorts look on me. I am typically a size large in these shorts because they do run a little bit small. They've got a biker liner underneath. I think these were only $13, which is incredible. Such a great deal. And I got the Hanes tops to match. So I'll show you the exact outfit that I would wear out to the gym or running errands on the screen. Thanks so much for watching today's Walmart haul. I hope you enjoyed these 10 summer outfit ideas. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button if you also enjoy affordable fashion and shopping at Walmart. All the outfits and items that I featured will be found linked down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.